Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, 2019. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make this Wednesday. Please be seated. We do not have any birthdays to acknowledge today, but today we are going to focus on being respectful, that you're going to treat yourself, your school, your teachers, and your classmates with kindness, and do not show disrespect with gestures. So gestures are like arm motions, your eyeball motions, any sort of disrespectful gestures. And some announcements. Some of you keep forgetting your IDs at home, and so therefore you come to school and you're like, you don't need a new one, you know it's at home, but your ID should never, ever, ever be at home. It should just live in your backpack whenever you bring it home. So the minute you get into a car or you're about to walk home, you take that off and put it in your backpack. It should never be at home, just chilling, not doing a job. Okay, it's part of your uniform, just like your polo and your pants and your belt and your shoes. Today is Wednesday, so make sure that you go to your third block for academic block. Take a chance right now to look at your uniform, check your shoes. Today we do not have any exams on the overall assessment calendar, so make sure you're studying hard because 4th and 5th grade you have some big tests. Actually, 5th grade, we may move yours to Friday, but 2nd grade, we have yours in reading. And as an announcement, we have Saturday school this Saturday. You will have to be here from 9 to 12, and you will be provided with food. Speaking of food, please make sure that you are collecting items, so boxed dinners, canned meat like tuna, chicken, peanut butter, canned vegetables, pastas, like those dried pastas, canned beans, things like that, crackers. You can put those in the back of your room, and then we have some boxes that will be that are up at the front office that need to be delivered to your rooms so that you can collect them inside the boxes. Yesterday, even though you guys, I let you sleep in for 2 more hours, or actually the district let you sleep in for 2 more hours, only 26 of you were not able to get here, so I'm actually pretty proud of our 96% because yesterday was really chilly, but you guys did your best and you got here and you bundled yourselves up, and most of you are wearing very appropriate outfits to keep warm. Please let one of your teachers know, or me or one of the other administrators, if you don't have gloves or a hat or something like that, and we can work on getting those for you. All right. I know you've seen Mr. McCarthy or Mr. M in the cafeteria, in the hallways. He's new to our campus, so I asked him to put together a little bit about himself so that you guys feel comfortable going up to him because he's a pretty cool guy. So he's from Houston, but he went to Morehouse College. He has 2 bachelor's degrees, 1 master's degree, and right now he's working on getting his PhD in education. That is pretty cool. He really loves IDEA and working for IDEA. He loves Jesus, he loves food, he loves music and traveling and seeing you all succeed. He's going to make sure that our campus operations team runs really strong. His job at our school is the assistant principal of operations. So just like Mr. Martinez and Mr. Nudd, they're both assistant principals, but they're of instruction. So the things you guys learn in class every day, where Mr. M is the APO, so the assistant principal of operations. So that's like how the cafeteria works, how transportation works, arrival, dismissal. He has a really, really long list of jobs. But be open to saying hello to him so that he can get to know you. And here's another page about his. All right, now on to our fun health fact. Between 2000 and the year 2015, the average global life expectancy increased by 5 years. If you can guess why, or you have a really, you maybe have an inkling of why you think people actually live 5 years longer than they used to, please reach out to me. If you get it right, I will give you a prize. All right, attendance. Remember, if you were here all week, we have in 2 days our raffle for the week. Also, don't forget about the Winter Wonderland dance. If you need to put it in your assignment notebook or your agenda, just to remind yourself, tell your parents they can come too. And it's the second grade is throwing the winter dance, but it's not just second graders. If you're in kinder all the way to 5th grade, you can come and bring your families. All right, please say the Renberg Academy chant with me. Ready? Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a wonderful and make sure you stay warm this Wednesday. And remember that choice is all yours. So what in your mind, if you decide today's going to be a good day, it will be. And if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Thank you for coming on a chilly day and prioritizing your education. Teachers, please take a few minutes to call the parents of those students that are out and message the ADA GroupMe. Have an amazing day.